Alright guys, so this is gonna be one of my more bad crashes. Right here we're kind of doing like a Silent Hill race, like no engine or whatever, and I do like a bump start right here, and I'm racing my friend Danny kinda, and I'm not really too familiar with any of this environment. About fourth gear right here, thought this was a lot less steep of a turn, and I ate it. So yeah, I ate shit pretty hard. Luckily I'm okay. Kind of just dazed me a little bit, but that's about it. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks guys. Peace.